لما يأتيك في ظلم الرضا
Yeah, you said no. Fine boy, Koyum fine boy.
من الأعداء أهل الفتنة ورأى بكاء العبد في كل الخطى أنت الرحيم لكل ما يسترحم أنت المجيب لمن دعاك مع الثناء صلي صلاة على النبي وسلم خير الورى علم السعادة والهدى.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Appreciate I want to kill out from graduation. Those people that comment and those people that repost your use of glasses. Those people that comment on your graduation yesterday, and those people that send message to me, because I received a lot of message on your graduation and then a lot of comments on my page on your graduation yesterday. You know, today is your sister graduation, Maleekat, on our way there right now. But I want you to appreciate those people that send message, comment, like, share. Okay, you have to appreciate them. You have to speak in English, you know. Okay, or anyone can speak in Yoruba, anyone you like.
Thank you, everyone.
Speak louder. Speak louder.
Thank you, everyone, for the comments, likes, reposts, and everything. I really.
I can't hear you. I become keen to be like that, sorry. Yeah, so.
Okay.
Only can to appreciate you and Maleekat. I'm sorry, Aisha.
Okay.
My two beans are injured. Yeah, appreciate.
Thank you, everybody, for the likes, reposts, comments, and everything. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. My graduation yesterday, I promise I'll continue to do better to make everyone more proud of me. I promise I'll try to achieve more achievements. And thank you, everyone. I really appreciate it.
Okay, what about your dad? What do you want to say about your dad?
Thank you to my dad and mom for supporting me, to helping me graduate yesterday, because without them, I don't think I'll be where I am today. Thank you for sending me to school so I can get the education that I need. Thank you for getting me all the supplies that I need to be able to achieve that education. And I'm just like, I really appreciate everything, because without them, I wouldn't know where I would be today. Thank you.
Thank you very much. What about your mom?
I just said that, so my mom and dad.
Okay. What about your sister and your brother? What do you want to say about your sister, the one that are doing graduation today?
Oh, today is her graduation, her high school graduation, which is like way more important than the one that I had yesterday.
What's the name of your sister that are doing graduation today?
Her name is Maleekat.
Can you speak louder?
Her name is Maleekat.
Maleekat. Okay, what do you want to say about your sister Maleekat?
I'm very, very proud of her, because she's finally graduated high school after so many years. I remember her first day of high school, she was like really nervous. She was like, oh my gosh, this and that, this and that, this and that. And she's finally graduated. It's been 4 years since that. And it feels like I've watched her grow up to be who she is today. And like, I'm so proud of her, because she's achieving so much stuff. And I hope she continues to achieve more things in the future on her way to college.
Okay, thank you. What do you want to say about this little girl? This little girl that she's not fine. What's the name of this lady?
Nobila.
What's the What do you want to say about this lady? I don't know. It's not
She's
fine.
mean. She's mean.
Hmm?
She's mean.
But yeah, okay. What do you want to say about her?
She's mean, you know. But she's also in her second year of high school. She's class of 2026. She's also going to be graduating soon as well. And she's still on her way there, but she'll graduate soon.
She graduates soon?
Yes.
Okay. What do you want to say about this little boy?
Well, I mean, he's not graduating anytime soon, but yeah, he's
Say something about this. What is the name of this little boy?
Wait, okay, Kiola.
Come back and use your glasses. Okay, what do you want to say about him?
He's doing good. He's very nice, and he has a very kind heart. And he's gonna be graduating 5th grade the same time as Nabila when she graduates high school. And like, I'm proud of him as well for doing so good because I still remember his first day of kindergarten and stuff. Like, he was so tiny, he was so small, and now he's so big, and he's doing very good in school. And I hope to be there on his graduation day.
Okay, thank you very much. May Almighty Allah continue to bless you and guide you. I'm proud of you because you did a lot. You did a lot, and you make me proud. You don't waste all my effort on you guys, and then I'm continuing to pray for you guys that there are more wisdom and knowledge by the grace of God. And then I pray that may Almighty Allah make everything easy for you guys in your life by the grace of God. By the grace of God, I'm proud of you. Thank you very much. Thank you. You did a lot. And then your graduation yesterday about your middle school, and you are now going to high school. From high school, you are going to the college. Everything, I pray Almighty Allah, everything is going to be on my. I will be alive. I'm going to be alive. All your graduation, on your wedding day, on your success in your life, I'm going to be alive by the grace of God. Thank you very much. So that let's go to the Auntie Nabila. Auntie Nabila, look here, I'm talking to you. Look here, you have to say something. Yes, okay. What do you want to say about your sister and Aisha graduation yesterday? And then what do you want to say about Maleekat today's graduation? Okay. Look here, look the camera and say something. I don't know you guys. You are Mama Tiju for camera. Mama Tiju be me no. Keep me Mama Tiju the camera. You don't want to say anything on camera? You know the last time I took you to the your photo, so you don't know how to, you don't want to speak on the camera. Why? Why don't you want to speak on the camera? Look here, yeah, say something. What's wrong with you? See, can you see? But man the camera. I don't know. If you're not doing your own vessel with camera, I don't know why. Say something. Say something.
Congrats.
Remove your hand.
Oh, let's see.
Remove your hand and say something.
Congratulations.
To who?
I'm talking about Aisha. Oh, that's cute.
Say something now.
I just see it.
Hmm?
I just see it.
No. People want to hear your voice.
They just want.
My fans all over the world, they want to hear your voice, man. Can you say something now? Why are you doing this to me?
Hi. Congratulations for graduating.
What do you say? Why?
Oh, Aisha graduated yesterday. Shut up. Why are you laughing? You said something. No, kids, say something.
No, Okike is going to say something after you. You have to say something first. No, okay, you have to appreciate those people that comment on your rank day. You know, I post I post your rank the day that you got another rank in your school, and then I post it. I receive a lot of messages, more than 1,000 messages on my post. Okay, what you want to say about that? Just say something. Appreciate them.
Thank you, everyone. Words can't express how much I appreciate everyone right now.
That's all.
Yeah.
Okay, what about your sister? your sister graduation yesterday?
Oh man, I remember when I graduated.
What's wrong with you, man?
I didn't laugh.
Stop laughing now. People are watching you all over the world. Say something.
When I graduated in the same school, they didn't do any of that for us, but you know, they're a new generation and they're coming, you know, to high school with me. She should prepare for high school, you know.
That's all?
Yeah.
Ah. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Next to big boy of our house. It's a big boy. Koyum, can you move close to the camera and say something about your sisters?
Congrats to Aisha and Atuka for graduating high school. I hope they will have a better life and a better place to live in when they graduate college.
Thank you. Clap for yourself. Okay. I know you guys, I'm man you because Emile Vitiju here job. I'm not man you.
Oh, you better go tomorrow.
Even a man to do, Emile Vitiju, but all the same, we will make sure they are not baraka. While I'm in just absolutely, you know, and I can do anything because of you guys. Except I can't do bad. I can't say, but I can do anything to make you happy, to make you great in this life. I'm ready to do anything for you, you know, as a good father. You understand? And then I'm pray that Almighty Allah is going to be guide you, and then more success, more blessing, and more. Can you see? More success, more blessing and wisdom by grace of God. I love you all. I love you guys. Shake daddy.
No, love you like
Shake daddy.
talk.
Bye.
No, you didn't.
Alhamdulillah. Ojú àwọn kan kò. Take it, yes, I do it. Ibi tí àwọn ẹwà park mọ́tò sí lélẹ̀. Bóyá gbé gómìnà lọ park mọ́tò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn o. Ọ̀lì ọ̀nà fẹ́ lò bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọ̀lì ọ̀nà fẹ́ lò mọ́. Bó ni páàkì wọn wà nù. This is all tó fẹ́ lò lélẹ̀. This is all. But àmọ́ bí a car park wọ́n ti fò. Àmọ́ bí a car park wọ́n yẹ kí wọ́n bí a car park wọ́n bí a kò ti fò. Ọba mi. Ọmọ aráyè páàkì sí ibà ìbá ìjọ. Ọlọ́jà aráyè páàkì báyọ̀. Ọmọ páàkì báyọ̀. No parking line. Yeah. No parking. Parking no problem. Ibo ni lo park? Ṣé lọ́hùn yẹn? Okay, I'm having sẹ́ni kọjá. Okay, my park so that side long. Parking no ni problem. Ṣé máa bọ́lẹ̀ kí n lọ park?
No.
Yes.
Wọ́n tó ń yọ park sọ̀tọ̀, àwọn tó ń ta nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Sọ wípé àwọn ò sọ ìlọ́hùn mi wọ́n rí sí mi wọ́n kí mi wọ́n wí. party. Tó fún mi, tó fi gbọ́ mọ́.
Can I leave the glasses in the car?
Okay, put inside. Tó bá lè mú dáná lọ. Gba mú pass dání. Ẹ wo gbogbo Alamajere àwọn ọmọ wa wàhálà ọkùnrin já sásán lórí ọmọ ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ náà ni o látànà ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ náà nílé ní ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ náà ni o àti ó ṣe graduation lánàá lélẹ yìí o àti ní graduation bá mú fóònù mi dáná ẹ fi sílẹ̀ gbogbo Alamajere àwọn ọmọ wa o aláwọ̀ ní já sásán lórí àwọn ọmọ wa o àjèrè wọn lágbára Ọlọ́run àjèrè gbogbo àwọn ọmọ wa o let's go guys. Alamajere àwọn ọmọ wa o tèmi yé mi mo ṣe ń ṣọmọ gẹ́gẹ́ tèmi yé mi ò lọ àbí
Not now.
gíláàsì mi gbọ́dọ̀ fọ́ ọlọ fọ́ gíláàsì sí mi náà mo ṣe ń ṣọmọ gẹ́gẹ́ tèmi yé mi. Mama jó mi lẹ́nu o ayọ̀ ọmọ bá wọlé kó mama lé mi jáde o òun mọ̀ ṣe ìṣọ́ ọmọ gẹ̀gẹ̀ èmi bàbá mi sínú wallet ẹ bàbá mi sínú báàgì ẹ fóònù mi ńkọ́ dàbílẹ̀ ṣé kí ìsìn mọ́tò ní báàgì ẹ. Fi sínú báàgì ẹ má sọ nǹkan mi nà. Òun mo ṣe ń ṣọ ọmọ gẹ́gẹ́. Let's go guys. Fast. Wait.
I wasn't. It's because I was going to move.
Fast. Wait. University, Maleekat, not university. Come. This is Maleekat University. Yeah, this is Maleekat University High School. Twin sister. What do you want? Oh, Mudani again. Kí ló ojú báyìí sínú mọ́tò. Sáré lọ mú mọ́tò. Kí mọ́tò dà. Sáré lọ mú mọ́tò ọmọ dúró díẹ̀. No, lọ fún ara ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ sáré jọ lọ. Ọlọ́run bá mi ṣàánú yín. Bá mú fóònù mi. Bring my phone. Ẹ dábọ̀ ẹ sáré lọ. Hold it for me. Wọ́n ti gbàgbé páàsì sínú mọ́tò. Aláti wọlé pẹ̀lú páàsì. Wọ́n ti gbàgbé páàsì sínú mọ́tò. Yá, mo ṣe ń ṣọ ọmọ gẹ́gẹ́. Tèmi yé mi o. Òun mo ṣe ń ṣọ ọmọ gẹ́gẹ́. Tèmi yé mi. Àní bíṣù ọmọ bá jìnnà kó má má jó mi lẹ́nu òkìkí ọlá bá fẹ́ràn kó má má lé ya gbà can't take picture with you stay there. Òun mo ṣe ń ṣọ ọmọ gẹ́gẹ́ tèmi yé mi o òkìkí ọlá ó mọ̀ ṣe táwọn bá wọlé nìyẹn báyìí o ọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì ni ó mọ̀ ṣe ń ṣọ ọmọ gẹ́gẹ́ tèmi yé mi o ó mọ̀ ṣe ń ṣọ ọmọ gẹ́gẹ́ tèmi yé mi o iṣu ọmọ bá jìnnà kó má má jó mi lẹ́nu Ayé àwọn ọmọ bá wọlé. Wọ́n ní látàárọ̀ wọn tí débi tó ń lọ látàárọ̀.
Where's that Monica?
Monica inside now. She's inside. She's inside. Today is Malika graduation. High school and university and all lele. University and all lele. Someone remember the day I posted this university. This is the university. Yeah. Only wow, wow, go boya o fẹ́ ṣe àbúrò, o di pé security full be. Only wow. To ba mo pé o gbé ní sápá. Bá gbé ní sápá o lè má bọ̀. Tó bá yá di lo ìgbésí ayé tó kù lẹ́wọ̀n. Fine boy call you mo. Let me take picture for you. Bring my phone. Let me take picture for you. Yeah, look here. Let me take picture for you. We camera see by you mo di pa. Hold on. Okay. Look good.
Let me take picture for you.
Want to take picture for me? Yeah, take. Let me put it on the back camera. Call you want to take picture for me? Call you want to take picture for me? Yeah, take picture for me. Wait. Take picture for me. Yes. I'm ready. Yes. Mama. Take mama picture.
Ready?
Yeah. Thank you, dear. God bless you.
See ya.
I'm going to say later.
I see Lavina and Aisha.
Timbo. Ọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì ni tó bá ti ní tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì ò wọlé. Ṣé ti rí kọ́lọ́n bá wa wo àwọn ọmọ wa o. Àwọn àǹfààní tí mo rí ìlú ta wà yìí ni wípé gbogbo àwọn ọmọ wa yìí gbogbo tí wọ́n ń kà ń lu ìyọ̀fẹ́ ni wàláì láti kékeré títọ́ fi dàgbà. Èmi ò sanwó school nílùú yìí rí o. Èmi ò sanwó school rí o. Gbogbo àwọn eléyìí náà gbogbo tán kà ọ̀fẹ́ ni ẹ̀yà máa bọ̀. Ẹyọ jáde. Call me, let's go. Ẹyọ jáde. Bring it. Let's go.
Wait, can you go?
You have your purse ready?
Yes.
Your phone and your keys?
Yeah, hello. How are you doing today?
Yep.
My phone.
Monitor.
Yeah.
Okay. You ain't got to put your tickets in there.
Yeah? Okay.
You got car keys?
Yes.
You can put it in there.
Let's go.
You still recording?
Yes.
I ain't gonna touch your phone.
Touch it.
Oh, you got me on camera in your country?
No. Don't go out. People gonna see all about the world, man.
Hey, listen, I was straight saying you got me on camera. I want a wife. I'm here.
No problem. Where's my car key? Go inside.
Saw your kids?
Yeah, that's my key. Yeah, that's my key. That's all my keys, man. Thank you. Let's go.
No, you stay in the camera.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Hello. Minla jekin. Hello. Barani hun. This is. You have 3. Let's go. Thank you. Okay. Nabila go. Okay. Hey, Jalo. You want to go? You have to pay one more. This way. Let's go down. Yes. The down? Okay. Okay, thank you. Many graduates.
I went to Prince Elementary, and now middle school. I snuck in Mardon in Atkinson. I got my first set of gold teeth from Lexington Market, and I got my first piece of peace from the arcade joint. I had beef with East Florida, and I was bad at school. Now I'm trying to dodge sick. Just walked out the lab store. 1250. You want to boss up your life? All you gotta do is get with me. So when the opportunity knocks on my door, I'm going to show up and I'm going to maximize the bonus.
My boy.
Yeah, hold on, what you coming through? Hold on, come here.
Either they don't go, they don't show, or they don't care. The definition of show is somebody sits in there.
Okay.
They can't understand the rest of the They don't understand the thing that disqualifies you.
No, sit down, dude.
Is the thing that qualifies.
This one's my balloon.
In the movie Black Panther, T'Challa was being challenged by Maleekat. While he was being challenged by Maleekat, he had him in a submission hold. His head was bleeding. He told him, "You don't have the mask. You don't have the suit. You don't have the powers. You're just a boy." T'Challa looked over at his mother, and she said these words, "Show them who you are." So I say to you, the ones that almost quit, the ones that work 20-hour a week and still made it to school on time, nobody at home to check their homework or even pay any bill. Those who have babies, had no groceries, no roof over your head, had to take care of your little sister and your little brother, and maybe even your mother. Had to live with a friend, retake a brother, almost got well, smelled like weed, loved somebody you love, and got your heart broken and thought you were never loved. Show them who you are. In a world that often overlooks or dismisses our communities, you have risen above the noise and reclaimed your power. We've embraced our identity, our culture, our heritage, our pride, and did it all in defiance. We've shown the world that we are not defined by our circumstances, but by our dreams, our ambitions, our determination to succeed. They know who we are. We show them who we are. So why don't they care? So why don't they care? Knowing what you have overcome, you are the most powerful agents of change in overcoming indifference and creating positive transformation in your communities. When you walk off this stage, you walk into a new purpose, whether it's college, entrepreneurship, or full-time job. 1, enjoy your life. 2, join some clubs, some fraternities, and some sororities. 3, travel. Go somewhere out of town, out the country, or run the mills in Columbia, don't count. 4, life is short, have fun. And lastly, that'll remind you that these 4 years weren't about learning all you can learn. Mastering algebra, geometry, or writing a 40-page paper and citing all the references correctly. It was about accepting, allowing yourself to be mentored, to let you know that you have intelligence and you have know-how. You have exactly what it takes to change your life through around you, look at the faces of the graduates before you. You are the proof that greatness knows no boundaries, that talent knows no zip codes, and that hope knows no limits. Show them who you are. Thank you.
Okay.
I want to say, I don't believe that it's a coincidence that those other two people would happen to back out. This was your message. This was your message. Please, heed the words that he said. Let's give another round of applause. So here's the moment that we've been waiting for.
My phone. Aisha. Phone. About phone.
Acknowledging the certification and the recommendation by the principal and by the authority. All right. So, in recognition of the practice and achievements of the students of this class, and by virtue of the authority vested in me as principal of Frederick Douglass High School, I certify that these students have met the graduation requirements of both the Baltimore City Public Schools and the Maryland State Department of Education. I take pleasure in recommending to you the graduating class of 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, there's another part. So I have the honor of presenting to you Jackie Hayden, Instructional Leadership Executive Director.
Acknowledging the certification and the recommendation by the principal and by the authority vested in me as Instructional Leadership Executive Director, I take pleasure in presenting to you the graduating class of 2024 of the Conferring of diplomas. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor of presenting to you Kwame Kenyatta, Commissioner of the Baltimore City School.
In recognition of the certification of these graduates, the recommendation of the principal, and the acknowledgement of the Instructional Leadership Executive Director, and by the virtue of the authority vested in me as Commissioner of the Baltimore City School Board, I take pleasure in accepting the graduating class of 2024 for the Conferring of high school.
Aisha, ṣé ti rí Mọ́líkà? Òun ló àwájú àwájú. Nabila. Come on, sit down here. That's Maleekat. Maleekat, this Maleekat at the front. This is Maleekat. At the front. This is Maleekat. That's Maleekat at the front. That's Maleekat. That's Maleekat.
Brandon Washington. Tyron Walker.
Video.
Sarah Chavez. Cheyenne Hernandez. Norma Martinez Ramos. Edward Jackson. Michael Wilson. Kings Offense. Tyler Jones. Alicia Aldridge. Maleekat Alimi.
Maleekat Alimi. Maleekat Alimi. Òun ni ẹ́, that's one.
James Anderson. Brandon Barney. Sincere Bell. Kevron Blackwell. Jamiri Blakey. Nathaniel Brewer. Tyshawn Brown. Isaiah Burke.
Get the card again.
Yes, Grandma. Why is that tomato lost now?
This that do a flip. Like, I don't know. It's not too late, right? we can still scream. I'm pretty sure. Still scream. She won't go spaghetti. She got wave back, bro. Bro, today is Nick family's graduation too.
Jessica Gasky. Richard Gill. Michael Gill.
Bro, the way they spell Maleekat's name is still bothering me. Cause why do they spell it like that?
Khalil Hamble.
That's how you say it.
Dion Harris.
Lift every voice on, sing to the heavens. Period. Period. That was good. That was good. That was good. That was good. Period. Say hi. Have you up? You know, you have a good side profile. But why all their graduation caps look so plain? And some of them guys look good though. Yeah, Angela. She was from Mohammed. We don't know him. Yeah, we don't know him. We don't know him. No, he's not even here. He should be here. Is it name? No, he's not there. Maybe his graduation is sometime for us.
Javon Jones. Layla Keaton. Maria Olive.
Yeah, maybe he failed.
Davon Lawson.
Oh, hey,
Lewis.
Yeah, sometimes we're athletic. Move your hand. Move your hand. See, I'm talking about them right there. They finally spelled it right. Who did they say? Who's it? Why did everybody stand up to cheer? Who was it?
Someone only did a backflip.
Oh, they did a backflip. I missed it. No. I missed it. Someone else do a backflip, please. Bro, someone else do it.
Amaya McCall. Samira McCullough.
Jayla Marie McKnight.
No. Hold it, bro. My hand hurt.
Demisha Peaks.
Yeah, Demisha. Maybe the siblings, you know?
Kylie Phillips.
Who, what?
Timothy Blair.
Oh, they should be up there somewhere. Like, somewhere up there. And,
Avante Price.
oh, I found that. Okay, dude.
Nicole Rawlings. Damon Ray Harrison. Jaden Reeves. Dwayne Robinson.
Frank Johnson.
Shut up. That's like so not funny.
Tanaya Sargent. Tony Saunders. Akira Shanks-Lee. Ayana Smith. Trinity Smith. Ayana Sproul.
Bro, you scared me. What happened? I thought something happened, bro.
Shania Taylor.
They moving fast. My graduation was like,
Anisha Thomas. Keziah Toby. Kanae Thompson.
oh, she hit that.
Renisha Washington. Tyra Watson.
Nabila, those who are there.
Tyler
Nabila,
Miller.
look at yourself.
Jalen Whitfield.
My hand hurt.
Ian Williams. Jason Williams. Malik Williams. Eric Williams.
So the mood draw, like my hand is actually starting to hurt so bad.
Timothy Witherspoon. Alonzo Woodson.
You guys can go that day that didn't know $8 baby. That ain't only on our shit.
Linnea Wortham.
I would have screamed, but like, Dan, I don't know. I ain't never let myself in. Do no wrong. I can do it. Oh, that's it? It's over, basically.
Love you guys. There's nothing you can do about it. Go out there and be great. All right? All right.
met you yesterday too, bro.
Pass on a couple of words for you all.
Good afternoon.
It's a pleasure for the first time as alumni now to serve as your grade level administrator. Y'all look good. Class of 2024, give it up for yourself. And he once said, I want to be the next Michael Jordan. I don't want to be Kobe Bryant. You all did the work. You all got it done. We all experienced COVID. No one else started a high school career in COVID but you all.
Ouch.
What time is it?
Sushi, sushi.
Sophomore year in hybrid, logging on in person, 5 feet of distance, the whole 9 yards, junior year, senior year. 21 credits in front of you, 21 credits completed. Give it up for yourself. They say it takes a village to raise a child. On the other side of 18, you will still need this village. You now become part of that village for your younger siblings and folks looking up to the work that you continue to do. You had the hardest 4 laps around that track. That 1 mile is 4 laps, one for every year. And those conflicts and obstacles will only get harder because it's not a simple oval. As you move forward in that real world, you will continue to need your village. It takes a village to keep an adult and raise them to be leaders for the next generation. In the class of 2024, that is you all. I am proud of you. I love you.
God be the glory.
There's more?
Amen.
Amen.
I am particularly
Hey, wait, I don't get one medal.
and I feel privileged to stand.
Oh, nobody cares, Jerry. We don't know. Only have someone that got those.
I appreciate the fact that you all honor my family as you have for over 40-something years. Let me stand up here as a member of the March family. My name is Carmelina March Harris, and I'm a 3rd-generation funeral director and the granddaughter of William and Roberta March, who are distinguished alumni of Frederick Douglass. And I'm particularly humbled to stand here today, one, because being a funeral director, I normally get a crowd like this and I see people down there to hear the shout and screaming is for another reason. And I know Mr. Brandon Watt, I'm particularly honored to stand here on the stage with you today. It feels good.